episode. I hope you guys are all doing well. Before I start rolling on some clips, I just want to quickly say thank you guys so much for the mad support on the last video of this hitting boost around. G'day guys, what is going on? Welcome to a new video. I hope you're all doing well. Before I start rolling on some clips about this meet and boosting around in this car, I just want to quickly say thank you guys so much for the love and support in the last upload of this car. I can't believe how much mad love, respect this car got pretty much around the world with all the comments, messages on my Instagram. And we pretty much gained just over 900 subscribers on that video. That one video got us nearly over 900 subscribers. That's pretty insane. I know there's a lot of big channels out there that pull that off constantly, but for what this channel is, I don't collab with anybody. I don't promote on social media either as much as I should be. I post on my stories, on my Instagram, but it's pretty sick to see how many of you guys in the car community shared that video around. So thank you guys for the mad support. I should have added in that video. I keep forgetting to add this in videos. I've got Clutch Kick Junkie stickers, so I've got a fair few of them left. Make sure to hit up the Big Cartel Clutch Kick Junkies. You'll find my stickers. As soon as you purchase them, I'll send them out to you. So if you're in America, Europe, I'll send them out there too. Currently following the S14, hit up another spot. Still indicating. Alright, so I'm with Bodie right now. I'm currently following his S14. Gonna hit up another spot, get some more rolling shots soon. It's so sick to finally drive with some mates again in this R33. It's been a long time since I've cruised around in this as well. So it's gonna be sick to be at this meet later. I can't wait to cruise with more Skyline, Sylvias, you name it. So I'll get some more shots later on. But for now, we're just gonna cruise around, kick back, and then we'll head to the meet soon. So we just met up with Mark. Unfortunately, he can't use his R32 because he's getting his front bumper resprayed, so he brought out his drift vehicle, the R31, and Bodie's at the front in the S14. I wish I had a passenger with me to film some of the cool freeway shit that we're doing. I'm trying to like use both my hands because up in boost at 100 Ks in third gear, man, this thing goes full send. It's pretty sick. The meet's starting to look decent. I got my skateboard, not my skateboard, I got given it to me. It's a bunch of Jap cars, so hopefully the meet gets a bit bigger later on. Supra, an R33 coming up. Nice. So much easier to film now. And the Supra again, and then my car. Bodie's S14, Mark's R31 Drifter.
Fuck the hero bike.
And meet's turned out alright. Got a fair few of people around. Got my Skyline over there. Got some more Jap cars. Nice S15 right here. I think a mate of mine actually used to own that. I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna have to ask the owner if my mate owned that once. Is that a Supra? It's an RB swapped Supra. Listen to a car, man. so many people at the meet, people who are in burnouts and shit. It's pretty wild. It's a big turnout, man. Check it out. And it's still early. There's gonna be a lot more cars later, so it's gonna be sick to go for a cruise later, get some footage of everyone boosting around and shit. Can you hold it? Thanks, man. Just yeah, boy.
The one and only. Nice.
That is so cool. Hey!
All built in a driveway.
Hey, Andrew. I love it.
Yeah, it's a wheel nut in the fucking thing.
Oh wow.
It's just to block the fucking shit coming out of it,
Is
man.
the battery out?
Don't worry about it.
Hey, battery out?
My battery's in the boot.
Yeah.
Oh, no, you just press this.
Oh no. Yeah, give it a little one. What is
Yes.
that a question?
Yes.
Please give us a tease. Just tease. Don't limit up.
No, that's a little...
Hey, limit up.
Alright, so I'm gonna go rev my car right now.
Send it. Hey, you gotta give it a cheeky limiter though.
Haha. Oh, if he says it, you have to.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
That's so good, man.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. Then I blow a gasket. Imagine that. Oh,
Don't
brake
say
short.
that.
No.
Don't say that.
Wait, what? You gonna get my car, bro?
Smash your door. Fuck your door.
Don't hit my piece of shit.
Nah, that's
Go.
That's clean.
I got a crumbing. Oh god. I just lost an apex when talking to you. Oh, that's how the cops had it. Fuck yeah, man. Like when you're next to me.
Hey, everybody!
There's a cruise.
Mark's RB30 just stole the show, man.
Pretty rare for a 31.
Getting all the clout now. You're in my shot. Get out my fucking shot. What's up, bro? Alright, fast challenge. Don't mind me. How you doing, man? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go as fast as I can. Zigzag through the peoples. Nice white R33. And then we got some normal cars over here. And then we got my mate's S13 with the fucking funny lights. And then do an ollie on his bonnet. Oh, you get them professional shots.
No, fuck you. Fuck you.
Fuck you, mate.
Fuck you.
Rev it. Rev it. I'll get the better footage.
Fuck you with your footage.
Get your ass off that car, boy. Massive meet, man. It's a pretty sick turnout. Got all these nice Jap cars everywhere. And my mate Jake's old S15. Jake, if you're watching, here's your old S15, mate. See if there's any more cars over here. Nice two-tone S13. Not bad. Like that coloring. Oh, the Watanabe wheels. It's too dark to see. Let's go check out this R33. It's got some big golden wheels. I'm gonna go follow it. That's how you do it, man. Don't worry, I'm not touching it. I own a 33. I adore them. It's a big production. Thank you, man. Thank you. Sorry.
Send it to us on email.
Mad. Throw him. Ah shit, got the cops over there ready to close this meet too. There was another Holder meet down the road and it got shut down because people were doing burnouts, and they came here and started doing burnouts. All the Jap dudes are getting screwed over because of all the Holden owners doing burnouts on the roads and shit, which sucks. So you got one cop, highway patrol there, highway patrol there, highway patrol there. Fuck dude, there's like 4 highway patrols, man. That's not good. So the cops are kicking us out right now. What the cops have done, they've blocked off the exit. And what they're doing is they're bringing in regular cops to come here to pepper spray everybody. They said anybody that doesn't leave is getting pepper spray.
They're going to gas us, apparently, and they're going to bring dogs from the city. That's what they told us.
Just for hanging out.
I had to calm the sergeant down because he was getting really arrogant, but he understood in the end.
Oh yeah, man. Yeah, the sergeant's over there cracking the shit, so everyone's going to get going, go hit up a new spot. Hopefully the cops don't fuck us over.
Fisher Garage, we go.
Everyone leaving. Alright, so we just ditched all the cops and now I've got a highway patrol, a few cars behind me, and I'm shitting bricks right now, man. I really don't want to get stuffed over by them. Alright, going into this underground car park just to kick back, some more cars around. Holy shit, this is mad. Alright, there's no parking in here. Trying to play this with one hand. Oh shit. Can't play with one hand. So where I was at, it was really nice and chill. Got to kick back with everyone, have some food, talk some shit about cars. It was a really good day. It just sucks that the cops came up and just blocked off all the entrances and just, you know, pretty much scared the shit out of us. The last thing anybody wants is like a defect on a Saturday night when everyone wants to kick back and chill. So currently I'm driving back home. I'm hoping to do a few more boost clips as well, just to wrap up this video, because right now I'm so tired. It's like late at night now. I've been out all day, so I can't wait to go back home and pass out, to be honest. guys enjoyed this video. It's a little different to the things that I usually do, but now that the R33 is tuned, we can finally go out, hang out, go to meets, have some fun finally. And soon, videos that are going to come up, how to rebuild your RB25 plus how much it costs to rebuild your RB25. Also, I'm going to be running a mic to the pod filter, my exhaust and the screamer pipe, so that way when we do some toe gauge shots and that, it's going to sound so sick. But the funny thing is, people actually came up to me and told me, dude, your car sounds so much better in person than it does on the microphone. As I said in the last video, the camera does no justice to how this setup sounds. Like the camera just kind of like kills off the sound a little bit. So wait till you hear this in person. And at nighttime, I noticed that late at night, you can hear the T51R mod whistle. It's so sick when you hear it whistle and then dose with the screamer. It's a perfect sound combination for this RB25. For a new viewer, make sure to hit that subscribe button because there's going to be tons of videos to come with this R33, especially hang out with mates now, go with their cars, go out to the hills, get some mad shots together. So it's going to be some fun times coming. And hopefully some more drift events come up so I can put the S14 on the track and film some more stuff with the S14 as well. So with the CKJ first ever meet, I'm hoping to aim it for around April. It's going to be the first ever meet, and I'll keep you guys posted on my Instagram and through the videos as well. So I'm aiming for about April, as I said. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Catch you guys later.